Hey friends, it's Bassie and welcome back to Bassie Learning Land. Today I have a really fun activity. We're going to be working on our colors and our letters as well as learning about patterns. Come on! Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with many more fun activities, and look at bassieslearningland.com because there's many free activities there that go with some of our videos. All right, let's get to it. So we're going to be working with the whole alphabet. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. There are going to be 6 different colors in our pattern. Now, a pattern is something that continuously repeats itself over and over again. Now, the thing about a pattern is that it has to repeat itself exactly the same time every time. So with that, we need to figure out a core. The core of the pattern is the thing that will repeat itself exactly the same over and over again. So I've chosen to use red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, some rainbow colors, for it to be our core, which means that these 6 colors need to repeat over and over again in the exact same way as many times as we would like. Okay, let's get started. So our first letter is going to be the letter A. So we're going to get our red Play-Doh and we're going to start that pattern. We're going to get some of the red color and we're going to roll it out. And we're going to make the letter A. There it is. Here is our capital A. This letter's name is A. It sounds like A. A word that begins with this letter is apple. Our next color is the orange color. And our first letter of our pattern is the letter B. So let's make the letter B. Fantastic. There's our letter B. This letter's name is B. It sounds like B. A word that begins with this letter is B. All right, third letter is the letter C in yellow. So let's get some of that Play-Doh and let us roll it out to make the letter C. There's our letter C. This letter's name is C. It sounds like K. A word that begins with this letter is crayon. Right, so far we have A, B, C, and now for the fourth letter in our core is going to be the letter D in green. All right, so you'll notice that today I've picked to do a pattern that repeats itself using colors. All right, so we're gonna the letter D. This letter's name is D. It sounds like D. A word that begins with this letter is dinosaur. Okay, letter E is going to be made in the color blue. So let's roll it out. Ooh, okay. There's our letter E. This letter's name is E. It sounds like eh. A word that begins with this letter is elephant. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the colors of our core. Let's do the last color, and our last color in our core is in purple. So let's get the purple out. And the last color in our core is going to be the letter F. The letter F. This letter's name is F. It sounds like F. A word that begins with this letter is fish. Well done. We did our pattern. Our core is done. It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now, after we finished this last color in our pattern, we now need to repeat it again. We go back to the red. So our pattern is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red. All right, let's get some red Play-Doh. And the next letter after F is the letter G. There's our letter G. This letter's name is G. It sounds like G. A word that begins with this letter is green. Let's move on. After red is orange in our pattern. Okay, so after G comes the letter H. You're really good with your alphabet. Okay, letter H. The letter H. This letter's name is H. It sounds like a word that begins with this letter is horse. Right? Red, orange, yellow is next for our letter I. I. This letter's name is I. It sounds like eh. A word that begins with this letter is insect. After yellow is green, and after I comes J. Okay. The letter J. This letter's name is J. It sounds like J. A word that begins with this letter is jam. After green, it's blue. Okay, and the next letter that is going to be in blue is the letter K. The letter K. This letter's name is K. It sounds like K. A word that begins with this letter is kangaroo. After blue comes purple, and after K comes the letter L. The letter L. This letter's name is L. It sounds like L. A word that begins with this letter is lamb. All right, so far we worked really hard. We have done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. We have now repeated our pattern two times. Twice. We repeated it twice. The core of our pattern that keeps repeating is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay, so let's continue it. Let's go back to the M. Now that we finished the second core, we're going to do the third repeat of our pattern. And we're going to start it off with the letter M. The letter M.
This letter's name is M. It sounds like mm. A word that begins with this letter is monkey.
Okay, let's continue with the letter N in orange. The letter N.
This letter's name is N. It sounds like N. A word that begins with this letter is numerals.
Right, let's move on to the letter O. And this letter in our pattern is going to be in yellow. The letter O.
This letter's name is O. It sounds like O. A word that begins with this letter is octopus.
We finished red, orange, yellow. Now it's green's turn. In green, we're now going to use the letter P. Well done. It's the next letter of our alphabet. The letter P.
This letter's name is P. It sounds like P. A word that begins with this letter is panda.
After green comes blue. And in blue, what is the letter that we're going to use? Nice work. You're right. It's the letter Q. The letter Q.
This letter's name is Q. It sounds like K. A word that begins with this letter is queen.
Let's move on to the letter R. The letter R is going to complete the third repetition of our pattern. All right. The letter R.
This letter's name is R. It sounds like R. A word that begins with this letter is riddles.
So our pattern now has repeated itself once, twice, and 3 times. Let's keep going. After our purple, we're going to use the letter S in red. The letter S.
This letter's name is S. It sounds like S. A word that begins with this letter is squid.
Wait, S comes T. All right. And the T is going to be in orange. The letter T.
This letter's name is T. It sounds like T. A word that begins with this letter is turtle.
Moving on, after orange comes the yellow color. And for the next yellow colored letter, we're going to use the letter U. So let's roll it out and let's press down. Now we have the letter U.
This letter's name is U. It sounds like a word that begins with this letter is umbrella.
All right, after U comes the letter V. And in the green color. V.
This letter's name is V. It sounds like V. A word that begins with this letter is van.
After the letter V comes the letter W, and the letter W is going to be blue. The letter W.
This letter's name is W. It sounds like W. A word that begins with this letter is whale.
Moving on to our next letter. It's the letter X, and the letter X is going to complete this next pattern. So we're going to press down, and now we have the letter X.
This letter's name is X. It sounds like X. A word that ends with this letter is fox.
So now we have completed our pattern 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Our core repeated itself 4 complete times. In our core, we have the color red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple in that color. Now, we have 2 more letters of the alphabet, and guess what? That is okay. As long as we finish our pattern in the exact same order that these colors appear, it's fantastic. And I have a special question at the end. So, our next color is red. And for the red color, we're going to continue it with the letter Y. The letter Y.
This letter's name is Y. It sounds like Y. A word that starts with this letter is yams.
All right, we made it to the end. All right, we have the letter Z or Z, and we're going to use our next color in our core, which is orange. So we're going to press down and take out our letter Z or Z.
This letter's name is Z or Z. It sounds like Z. A word that begins with this letter is zoo.
Hey, way to go! Look at this. We did our pattern. Our core is the colors in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple in that order. That is our core. That's our core because if you notice, it keeps repeating itself. It repeated itself 1, 2, 3, 4 complete times with it starting again with 2 next colors. So if we were supposed to continue our pattern here, what would the next color be? Right, it would be yellow, and then green, and then blue, and then purple, and so on and so forth. So a pattern is something that repeats itself. And I think this is a really fun alphabet, super colorful, and I love it. Thank you so much for helping me, and I hope to see you soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe, or even visit bassyslearningland.com for free activities that match some of our videos. See you soon. Bye.
See ya soon.